She wants it. She looks at it, she looks like it, and she wants it. Svetlana. I like that name. It's fun to say. It feels so awesome waving other bikers. Never get tired of that. You never ever get tired of that. Excusez-moi. Por favor. Well, the biker's gone. No, I thought this was the guy, but he's not a biker at all. Or anything close. Alright, so I know this is not the best thing to say, but one of the cool things, or positive things that's coming out of coronavirus, is more people, more riders are out. Alright, more riders. We got another rider coming up on us, not this guy on a three-wheeler, whatever you call it, or tricycle, I don't know. But we got another dude popping up. Like, is this really fun though? Like, you're out and stuff, but is that really fun though? Two wheels is something else. And we got another rider, is a chopper. I got the chopper in the car. Somebody lied. I got a chopper in the car. I said I got a chopper in the car. With the vest on and that weird V-bar thingy on the back. I don't even know what it's called, a V-bar. It looks like a V, upside down V. Svetlana. Like, you're still in traffic, you're still stuck. You're not. It's nice to be able to lane split, but not lane split, but still know that you could if you wanted to. You know what I mean? I'm just saying. I'm just saying because I'm riding insane. Ah, Murcielago. Murcielago is going to be blocked by cars. Murcielago with a spoiler. That is lit. That is lit. Who says that anymore? Whoever is smart in my videos, what is this? Is this some sort of like oil factory or something? Like, what is this? Because they just build that blue stuff on it. What is that blue stuff now? And is it safe? Because I believe sometimes smoke comes out of it. But yeah, all you geniuses out there, please find out and let me know. Because I am curious. Like the George, like, ah! Like the monkey. I wasn't looking. I'm gonna be a good boy. You see all those clouds coming in? It's gonna rain tomorrow, that's why. Soaking up my body on all the streets. Broly's never gonna see, she's never gonna see any water of any kind unless we're washing her down. I got a rider back there. Hopefully he'll see the cop and not do something stupid. Ah, it's a dirt bike boy. Well, he might get pulled over. His license plate is flipping and flopping like anything. Svetlana. 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 I think that's Russian. Svetlana. I would love to have a girlfriend named Svetlana, so I could call her that. Pretty sure that's not how you pronounce it, and should be hella triggered for me saying that. But Svetlana. I'm used to hear it the way I say it. Oh, push it, girl! Can't stay Long Beach, push it! And that's it. I'm gonna get it. Now make the decision. Are you gonna cut? Or are you gonna stay in your place and have my respect? Alright then. You're not going to cut. You're going to stay in your lane and not cut. Look at him. Flexing that arm. Because he sees me coming down the street, rolling at him. For a second I thought he was naked. I was like, what did I do to earn that? But luckily he wasn't, because I would have to stick a fork in my eyes. Or run my eyes over with the V4. With a V4, with a motorcycle. Ducati V4. Parentheses, Panigale Extreme Edition. Because I'm a gangster. Savage, booty. Because I said I'm a gangster. What happened to getting all green lights? Oh God, we decided on green lights for me all the way through. Street Fighter V4. Street Fighter V4. But it's a test drive because there's a Ducati shop right there probably. Funny thing is, I've never seen a V4 on the street besides mine. And even before I didn't have mine, I never saw one. And now we already saw a Street Fighter on the other side. What's that about, man? What is that about, man? Remember, red light, then we lane split. Not gonna do his little circling and maneuvering. Seriously? My bad, man. Man, I'ma say. This is an old, super old lady who keeps staring at me through a rear view mirror. Keep fixing her hair and all that stuff, which doesn't make sense because your top is off. So like, what the hell? We got the cakes. not really cakes, they're like cupcakes. It's not a donut, it's a bagel. But it's something, right? Aston Martin. I really like they went for that color, because not a lot of cars come in that color as a... Okay, that's either a Corvette up there, or a red Huracan. Yeah, it's a Corvette. Well, we were thinking we can get down and dirty with something, but we can't. Who taught you, man? If there's a motorcycle behind you, you don't ride in the middle of the lane. You ride off to the side. And you don't do that when there's a motorcycle behind you as well. Who taught this guy how to ride? Or if you do want to make a maneuver like that, put your blinker on so I know you're about to do that. She wants it. She looks at it, she looks like it, and she wants it. Yeah, I'm saying. Yeah, that's a Corvette, that's that. Give us both a red light and I'm going to show you what it means to be on a bike and a man. A juicy man. Juicy fruits for breakfast? No, that's wrong. Juicy fruit for breakfast? Come on, give us a red lighto. How do you say light in Spanish? Lighto? Lidocaine? What's lidocaine? Is that a drug? Okay, Charger, don't care for. Mark, don't care for. I see you should AMG, I'll take you instead of this Corvette. And this person right here. Ooh, TikTok it up. Was that to me? I don't even know if that was to me or not. I'll take it though. BMW S1000. There was Ferraris, there were Lambos, and we're not gonna make it. Because this is gonna close, they're gonna walk, we're not gonna make it. I should have turned back there. I wasn't thinking. Yeah, not. Yeah, we're never gonna make it. Come on, man. Seriously? Oh my god. So stupid. They're all getting away, God. Just so you know. The whole entourage of awesomeness is going away. There's a BMW S1000 RR with him, but he doesn't know what to do. Or she doesn't know what to do, wherever it is. I do. It's about me, man. I know what to do. Oh, no U-turn. Slap my... It's okay, I could do it from there, but come on, man. This is really how you're gonna do me? Yep. That's how I'm gonna be done. I can't catch up. This is impossible. California. Yeah, impossible. Only way I'll catch them if they're hit with traffic. If they're hit with traffic, all this is a waste anyways. McLaren. No slow motion right now, alright? Take it like it is. Broly's still learning. Should have U-turned right then and there. Imagine all those supercars having this area open to them. Can you imagine that? I can, because this happened, and I've been a part of it, and I'm not! At the moment, because of stupidness. Okay, calm down, cars that aren't exotic. No hate, but right now I'm not in the mood to appreciate either. We'll go up a little bit. If they're not there, it's whatever. It's a fail anyways. If they're not there, we'll just go back to our original and head back that way. Mark AMG. I still don't know why they call their AMG the biggest one, the fastest one, GTR. Like, you couldn't come up with any other name, any other alphabet. Why does it have to be GTR? We got some riders, but they're not really riders. They're just, you know, riders. In a sense, they have two wheels, but not the two kind of wheels that I like. Open. Don't make me stop, man. Perfect. Don't make me stop because I'm not in the mood. But after right now, man, just, you know, zooming it, blazing it, and that's 1,000 RR. That's with him, doesn't know what to do. He's not recording the action the way we do. So come on, man. It should be me. I work and I've earned that. Yeah, they're probably here somewhere because this is like traffic up the... So yeah, they're probably here somewhere. Oh yeah, they're probably here. Guarantee they're here. Because look at that monstrosity. Look at that monstrosity. But I would also love to capture them in a thumbnail. So my failure can really be, you know, enjoyed by you guys. And I've told you, I've been in isolation, lockdown for like a freaking month now. And I haven't been riding for like, oh yeah, a month. No, a month and a week. So like, come on, give me a break. Plus, Broly, she's too much power, man. It scares me. And I'm a baby. I'm a weird baby. Yes, I am. Alright, so don't even say anything about that. Corvette 1. Old dude. Red Corvette passing through right there. Old dude. What else we got? 2 choppers. Old dudes. Because ain't no youngin' buying that. This is what the youngins are buying. What I got between my legs burning me up right now. Because I'm a savage. Acting really nasty. Where they at? Where they at? What's wrong with you, Jeep? Why the gap? Why the gap? No. Lambo. Okay. He's made the wrong person angry. Me. Well, not really. I'll take that as a consolation prize. And you're like, oh, saying, come on, man. That's a Lambo. Look at it go. It's a Huracan. But come on, man. We were looking at a pack. A pack of exotics.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul?